Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Timor-Leste. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Timor-Leste, or East Timor, is an island country in Southeast Asia and is primarily driven by agriculture, oil and natural gas production, telecommunications, and tourism, which plays an important role in the country's economy. Forex trading around the world has become increasingly popular over the course of the last few years, and as newer traders continue to enter the markets, beginners should first consider finding themselves a globally regulated, safe, and reputable broker to trade with. As such, finding a list of some of the best Forex brokers in Timor-Leste and worldwide can be a difficult process, especially when looking for a trustworthy broker who accept and offer their services to local investors from this country. So, in this video, we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Timor-Leste. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have BDSwiss. BDSwiss is a European brokerage firm that was established in 2012 in Switzerland, spans over 125 countries, with a client base of over 1 million registered accounts. Authorized and regulated by the CYSEC in Cyprus, the FSC in Mauritius, and the NFA in the United States, BDSwiss offers traders the opportunity to trade an array of financial instruments, such as Forex, commodities, shares, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts are available on Demo, Classic, VIP, and Raw spread accounts, with lower spreads, lower minimum deposits, 24-hour 5 days a week live support, daily analysis, free live webinars, access to over 250 instruments, and more. Featured platforms are available on the BDSwiss WebTrader, MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the BDSwiss Mobile Trader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. BDSwiss also provides their very own educational research and learning panels, which cover daily videos, daily market analysis, technical analysis, Forex educational ebooks, beginner Forex lessons, a variety of live educational videos, as well as seminars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with BDSwiss. At number 4 on our list is Tickmill. Tickmill is an online, fully regulated financial broker. One of the reasons that Tickmill is so popular is due to this broker having a 100% NDD or no dealing desk platform, which essentially means that there is no conflict of interest between their clients. Founded in 2015, Tickmill specializes in trading through Forex, stock indices and oil, precious metals, and bonds. Their accounts feature Pro, Classic, and VIP accounts with low minimum deposits, over 80 tradable instruments, top-tier client fund safety, and multilingual support. Featured platform for live and demo accounts is available on the MetaTrader platform, as well as Tickmill's Web MetaTrader, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Tickmill also offers their very own trading educational center, which delves into topics such as market insights, various trading articles, fundamental, technical, and analytical panels, a comprehensive collection of educational video tutorials, as well as webinars and seminars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with Tickmill. Coming in at number 3, we have XM. XM is a globally regulated financial broker that operates with clients from over 196 countries and offers support in over 30 different languages. Their main branch is located in Cyprus and is fully regulated by the CYSEC. XM specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, metals, energies, and shares. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature micro, standard, XM Ultra Low, and shares accounts that come equipped with negative balance protection, lower leverage, and a variety of tradable base currency options. XM also provides their very own educational resource center, which delves into various trading educational videos, a daily live streaming and podcast service, as well as free webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for a more personal, in-depth educational experience. At number 2 on our list is FXTM. FXTM is an online, fully regulated financial broker. Founded in 2011, FXTM primarily remains a MetaTrader-only broker and offers 7 account types that provide traders with access to up to 59 currency pairs as well as CFDs on 173 single stock shares. FXTM provides services and specializes in trading through Forex, precious metals, CFDs, commodities, CFD indices, and cryptocurrencies. Available accounts are featured on Standard, Cent, CFD, Stocks, ECN0, ECN, and FXTM Pro accounts with swap-free options, a variety of base currency options, instant executions, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the FXTM Trader application, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM also provides their very own learning center, which covers a video learning library, seminars, webinars, trading articles, a variety of helpful ebooks, great customer support, and more if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with FXTM. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Timor-Leste, we have XTB. XTB is a European broker that was founded in 2002, has offices in 13 countries across the globe, and is regulated by the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, while combining financial services with innovative technology and supporting a wide range of languages. XTB specializes in services and trading through Forex, indices, commodities, stock CFDs, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard, pro, and Islamic accounts, with up to 1,500 tradable instruments, lower spreads, automated trading, free account setups, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, XStation 5 and XStation mobile applications, which features integration with NinjaTrader, and are available on Windows, iOS and Android operating systems. XTB also provides their very own educational center, which features basic, intermediate, expert, and advanced courses in financial trading that delves into topics such as introductions, lessons in platform functionality, a market news and analysis panel, their very own market calendar, as well as a trader's library for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with XTB. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Timor-Leste on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.